Okay, then I did Pele, who was a Brazilian super soccer star. He played till he was in his 40s, and he was still better than everybody. Like, he was the super excellent soccer star from Brazil.
Oh, is it great?
October 21st, Libra. Yeah, and his sun's in the second house. The moon would be in Gemini, so you have all the air, and a Virgo rising. But when you change your chart, he becomes the Aries with the Sag moon and the Pisces rising, and he just dominated. He was the team player. He was the star. He turned his hobby, 10th house, moon, into a career, and just became the excellence factor. But excellence was physical excellence. Nobody could compete with this guy. He was all over the field. Nobody could stop him. But he still, so all the fire, this way he has a Sun and Mars in Aries, with Mars in the first house. Otherwise it would be Sun and Mars in Libra in the first house. Now, you're talking about physical excellence and coordination and energy and adrenaline. Purely. That's what he was known for. And he never used his whole name. He was only just known as Pele. That's it. So, and it never came up. Nobody ever brought it up. So, even the Mars in the first house is identity. If it was in Libra, there'd be a little bit more embellishment, you'd think. Who I am. He just proved it. Go prove it. So, I like the shift from the fire to the air, and him acting it. I just chose people that were dramatically in the list. I went through about 100 different Southern Hemisphere charts. I had times for a couple hundred. And a lot of people I didn't know. But,
great examples.
But the fire ones here, like we had 3 Libras, all incredibly physical. Not just randomly one Libra, well, maybe one Libra could be excelling. 3 that represent genuine physical excellence. And on a high level. And having the choice of rulership of Mars or Venus. Okay. So then you go in, you say if that's okay, then you work the chart. Gemini IC. Well, Sag too, it still traveled. You still see all the traveling, all the things. But that unique quality of the sign rulership to the Mars from the Venus, very powerful distinction.